This message is for us feeling lost or disappointed. Remember, every pain and setback has a time, and God is preparing the stage for your breakthrough. Sometimes life feels like a forest, full of shadows, unexpected turns, and quiet moments that test our patience. But just like the repertoire of the forest harmonizes perfectly as its stage unveils the night scenes, every disappointment, every pain, every season of waiting has its place and purpose. Nothing is wasted in God's plan. Every tear, every setback, every struggle is preparing the stage for your breakthrough, your growth, and our victory. Our victory, all of us. Trust the timing, trust the process. Keep walking in faith even when the path seems dark. Your night will reveal its beauty and your blessings will unfold exactly what they're meant to. Okay? Your blessings will unfold. Our blessings will unfold exactly what they're meant to. Ecclesiastic 3 verse 1 says, to everything there is a season and a time to every purpose under the heaven. My friend, love God first and yourself. Peace.